Remedies to get rid of genital hair naturally. Before you decide to try these natural home remedies, you need to trim your hair having a razor. Even if you are choosing a homemade wax recipe, trim it. It's also essential that you perform a patch test to find out if you're allergic to the natural home remedies in removing genital hair. Honey and sugar treat. This home cure is useful for those who don't put on coarse hair. Combine 2 teaspoons of honey in 1 tsbp of sugar. Combine the components and put it on around the zone. Make use of a strip to wax your hair. Aloe Vera Wax. Aloe vera and honey is mixed together. This application will be made hot. When it's lukewarm, use the mixture in your zone and employ a strip to wax your hair. This is among the best natural home remedies to get rid of genital hair effortlessly. A sugar mix. Inside a bowl add 3 tsbp of sugar, 1 lemon juice, and honey. Combine each one of these ingredients together to create one application. Use the mixture in your zone as well as in reverse manner attempt to weaken the genital hair. This is the best natural way or home cure to get rid of genital hair.